on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am super excited to let y'all see our new build that's coming in. I just got a call from the driver. He's about 10 minutes away, but I'll give y'all a hint. It's the same color as my shirt, same color as the Maserati that we built on the channel. And this car, I mean, we're gonna be the first ones on YouTube to rebuild a car like this. There's a bunch of reviews and stuff like that on the car, but nobody has rebuilt anything like this before. So stay tuned so y'all can see exactly what we got. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We did have a little difficulties taking it off the trailer and then trying to get it in neutral because it's an all-wheel drive car. So I'm gonna show y'all what it is, what it looks like. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is it right here. 2017 Jaguar F-type Type R all-wheel drive. This thing is sexy. Look at the door handles, pops out as like that and has the Jaguar emblem right there. It's pretty nice. And the interior, it's fully red interior. This thing is super clean. I'm gonna show y'all on this side as well. So before I start it, I want to show y'all the damage. Y'all can see how the wheel got pushed back. And the thing is, these things are all aluminum. It's very fragile, I guess you could say. They're all clipped in, just rivets. It's very simple. I mean, it's not made like the old cars where everything's welded and everything. This is all new. It's like all riveted in, clipped in, so it's very simple. The spindle, I'll probably have to replace it because I don't want to have to do it the second time because I'm sure it got a hit and it's probably the bearing's probably going to be bad. But with that being said, the lower control arm, strut looks good. The axle's busted. Probably the tie rod on the steering column. Stabilizer bar, one of the lower control arms is good. It's just scratched up right here. Of Of course, the ABS sensor, all that's probably gonna have to be replaced because it's probably stretched out already, as y'all can see. And then that's it. And then the fender right here is gonna be repairable. I'm gonna get it welded on. It's aluminum, so that's gonna be nice. And then the side skirt's gonna be repaired as well. But it does have the wheel and the trunk. That has a little damage right here. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it repaired. If not, then I will have to buy a new one. But let's see if I can get this thing out. No. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it still holds there. Still holds there. I mean, as y'all can see, it's just scratched up on the inside, but it doesn't look like it's bent or anything like that. Like I said, the only damage it is right here, and then it's just scuffed up right there, and a little right there. Tire's a little cut. Might have to get a new tire, but other than that, that's about it. It has some kind of rubber. That's the damage, guys. So I want to disassemble a little, see what kind of parts I will need. I'm gonna take all this off and see what kind of damage exactly it did to it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, before I start working on the front end, I wanted y'all to hear it, how it sounds when it starts up. So let's do this real quick. I did not expect the windshield to be cracked, as y'all can see right here. It's cracked. That's gonna be a really pricey windshield, but you know, that's unexpected. I guess it's whenever the hood or something hit or something, it was already creased in. It was covered up under the cowl, windshield cowl, so you couldn't really see it. But yeah, it's damaged, so we'll have to replace that. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for the video. I'm going to go ahead and leave the suspension on. I didn't want to take it off because I'm going to order all the suspension that I need, and I want to try to put it on its own feet so whenever we can move it on the frame machine and off. So with that being said, in the next video we're going to disassemble the fender, side skirts, change out the suspension, get it on its own feet so we can move it around. So stay tuned for that, and if y'all enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.